Bear-Track tilt utility trailers with single 3,500 or 5,200-pound axles are offered in a variety of sizes to meet your needs. Designed and engineered to be a long-lasting, reliable hauling solution while offering quick and hassle-free loading and unloading. They feature a gravity tilt system consisting of an internally ported hydraulic cylinder that dampens the tilt speeds and a gas spring that assists in balancing for tilting the bed. All this combines for a smooth tilt, whether loading or unloading. Once loaded, tow with confidence, knowing our HD tilt latch will keep your trailer securely in the towing position. Tilt utility trailers are ideal for loading wheeled equipment such as lawnmowers, ATVs, UTVs, and more. These trailers are loaded with features only found on a Bear-Track. The Touchpoint Weld system connects the decking to the structure at every touch point, increasing the trailer's rigidity and reduces flex. WireGuard enclosed and jacketed wiring is designed to protect the trailer's wiring and eliminate inoperable lights, keeping you safe on the road. Bear-Track fit and finish is second to none, providing customers with the best-looking trailer highlighted by finished corners, appealing aesthetics, and high-quality welds. Bear-Track standard features include a tongue swivel jack, tie-down points, bolt-on fenders, aluminum wheels, and LED lights. Backed with a 5-year limited warranty, Bear-Track aluminum trailers are ready for your toughest jobs, work or play. Bear-Track trailers. Tough, durable, quality.